Done.
I can't open it.
Done.
Nah.
So what did the Easter Bunny get you guys?
Kitty.
Candy?
Yes, and I got Pokemon cards.
Wow.
And these. Where my Pokemon cards? Done. It's
Done?
Yeah.
Well, put all your candy back in your basket.
This is my favorite one.
Yeah, you gotta put the candy in your basket, buddy.
Hey, look at.
Yeah.
Look, I found the guy I love now. This is my favorite Pokemon card. But I saw it right now when I came downstairs. Hey, I got one of those. It's the same one, but I can't. Me.
CJ got one too.
Yeah, he got a blue one. Then me and Kaylin got the same one.
It's an eraser.
It's a eraser. Where's my eraser? Where's my eraser? Where? Oh, here's my eraser. I thought it was a crayon. Oh. Hey, I just want to.